I'm a textile graduate. I was a lecturer for 15 years in textile. I don't really know anything about logistics. My husband often used to say, company किसी की वजह से रुकनी नहीं चाहिए. See, technology has transformed the industry very well. I didn't have time actually, Girish, to think over that. करना है कि नहीं करना है, क्या करना है. I would definitely want my daughter to come in transport. Men are normally, नहीं करना है, गाली गलोच, phone नीचे फेंकना and all that stuff.
Good morning friends and welcome to iShare Presents नई सोच नए रास्ते, a Trans India exclusive. The road transport industry is a mix of lot of segments and sizes. On one hand, you have large players with an organized hierarchy, and on the other hand, you have businesses that are largely dependent on one or two people. Both have been thriving and are currently riding high on India's economic growth. However, many businesses face hiccups and often lose track. Our guest today is a lady transporter who did not lose track after her share of hiccups. In fact, she barely knew anything about the business or the industry when she was thrown into the business. We have with us Neha Vora, a lady who fought adversity and today is running her business successfully. She had two options when life put her at crossroads: shut the business or find a way to run it. Neha is a daughter-in-law of Moolchand Vora, former BGTA president and a very respected personality in the association. Her husband Kalpesh Vora was a close friend and known to many in the transport industry. Within a space of a month and a half, Neha lost Moolchand Bhai as well as Kalpesh, but she chose to run the business, and we are glad to have the opportunity to capture her journey and how she is doing now. Here's Neha Vora in an exclusive interaction with Trans India. Neha, welcome to Trans India. Transport was not your line of work.
Yes.
And I guess when you got married as well, you didn't start off coming to the company immediately.
No.
How did this happen?
First of all, thank you so much calling me in, Girish. This happened way back in 2016-2017. Mahindra had arranged for an program, Mahindra Logistic in IIM Ahmedabad. So that's the time when the founder of our company, Fast Track Shipping and Logistic, Kalpesh Vora, I think you know Kalpesh, right? So my husband said, why don't you go for this program? And I was from textile field. I'm a textile graduate, and I was a lecturer for 15 years in textile. So I just happened to ask him that IIM Ahmedabad logistic textile combination क्या है? Why do I need to go for an logistic program? So he said, so that you can make an entry tomorrow in business. I said, what am I going to do? I don't really know anything about logistics. He said, explore yourself, go there, meet people, pan India से transporters आ रहे हैं, उनसे जाके मिलो, बाकी हम सिखा देंगे. But at least go there. I wanted to go there. And that's when I went in for that program, came back to my company, and I was given two departments. One is maintenance and billing first to take care of. All right. And that's how my journey started.
And you were doing both. You were teaching as well as attending office simultaneously.
Yeah. So my condition was, because I was, since 15 years, I was teaching textile. I love textiles. I was an HOD of my institute for my department. So I said, I'm not leaving my job. He said, you don't have to leave your job. You can go in for guest lectures and also come to the company. So that is the reason I was given two departments, billing and maintenance. So that you also continue your guest lectures and you can come to the company and you can, take care of billing. So you know the ABCDs of logistics. That is important. And then in 2019, when COVID struck, we had shortage of the team members working this night. Our institute was closed. I was at home. And I said, no, I have to join the company now. That is when the company really needs all as many people can come in, contribute. So that's the time when I started taking transport seriously. I went into my company and I joined the company full-fledged.
And more responsibilities were given to you then?
Yes, after that was given to me was outstanding. So every week I would get an outstanding list, that this is the outstanding from our corporate client, of potential clients. Abhi isko niche lekar aana hai. How you do it, I don't know, but next Monday again we meet over here in the conference room. Okay, and this is how it is going to happen. So you have to interact. You call them up, interact with them. If you can speak to the directors directly, you speak to them. You want to speak to the account department, you speak to them. Whatever I need this outstanding list every week that I'm going to give you, isko aapko niche lekar aana hai. That's it.
And how was the recovery rate?
8 out of 10.
Brilliant.
Yeah, but I wasn't given my share. Yeah, 8 out of 10.
We will be back after this very short break.
कभी सोचा अगर किसी दिन सब कुछ रुक गया तो इन छोटी छोटी खुशियों पे लाइफ पे ब्रेक लग गया तो किसी ने तो जिम्मेदारी ली होगी कि सब स्मूथली चलता रहे। कोई ऐसा जो ऐसे स्टीयरिंग थामे हैं कि हम ना रुके। जो वक्त से आगे की सोच रखता हो, नए रास्ते बनाता हो। शुक्र है जिंदगी की ड्राइविंग सीट पे कोई तो बैठा है, क्योंकि जब हम चलेंगे तो दुनिया चलेगी। आयशर के साथ रहिए 24/7 कनेक्टेड, ताकि ना आपका बिजनेस रुके, ना लाइफ, नई सोच, नए रास्ते।
Welcome back to Aishar Presents Nai Soch, Naye Raaste, a Trans India exclusive. We have with us Neha Vora, who stepped into the industry under challenging circumstances, but getting a grip on the industry and her business. Neha shares her journey with us. Coming from a teaching background, did any of those traits help you in business?
Yes, it did. Discipline. Very important. For example, Girish, just if I talk to my clients, all right, and I will 100% ask them, give me your feedback. Even if it is for just a normal call, I'll call them up. Okay, sir, give me your feedback. We have just done these many containers this month. Give me your feedback. And once I have the feedback, teachers, professors, they have this habit of jotting down everything in their diary. Totally.
Do that.
Nahi. If I started every Monday, we'll have a meet in the office. And I am going to discuss jo bhi problems hai clients ki to my team members. Next time, I don't want to hear this.
You can't be repeating the same.
Yeah. Next, and I will make sure that I call my clients and I convey to them that this is what action we have taken, all right? This is what we have spoken. And if you have the same problem again, please call me up. But नहीं होता था, So my husband would say, क्या आप बार-बार डायरी में लिखते रहते हो? I said, no, this is how, but उसका results काफी अच्छा है, Wherever you have to reach before time. ये सब discipline होता है,
Absolutely.
So I just for this shoot, I was called at 10:45. I was down at 10 o'clock. That's how it is.
But I've known Kalpesh and Olchin Bhai for many years. Both of them were, short-tempered.
Very.
They would blow their fuse like this. With you coming in, Did it change the atmosphere, the working atmosphere in the office?
Yes, it did. It did. 100%. Because the thing is जब आप calmly सुनते हो, you understand whether it is your team member or your drivers, situation, problem, whatever, you know. So you get connected to them. What I felt after I came in the office is it's more like a homely atmosphere. You know, that is what I felt. And I always believe that if women touch होता है ना, वो आ ही जाता है. Even with your back team, backup your office team, or whether it's with drivers, or whether it's with mechanics, or the garage staff, everybody, एक वो touch आ जाता है. थोड़ा calmly बात करना. You know, or men are normally, you know, नहीं करना है, गाली गलौज, phone नीचे फेंकना and all that stuff.
You deal with drivers as well?
Yes, I call them, I call my drivers, जो हमारे old drivers हैं, okay, काफ़ी, we have the strength of drivers जो काफ़ी old वाले भी हैं. So I'll call them up, I'll tell them आप कहाँ पर हो, क्या कर रहे हो. If I see that गाड़ी काफ़ी दिन से, you know, tracking system में रुकी हुई है, so I'll call them up, ठीक तो हो, everything, रास्ता मानसून के टाइम पे रास्ता वर्क तो खराब होता है, खाना वाना तो हो गया ना. That simple thing makes a lot of difference.
It does.
It does, it does. Very recently, Girish, I had faced one thing, situation where my vehicle had to reach on the following date क्योंकि तब तक का लेटर था, and vehicle breakdown हुई थी. Okay, very rarely our vehicles ऐसा होता है breakdown because we give a lot of importance to maintenance, but ये हुआ था, and driver tells me, मैडम आप टेंशन मत लीजिए, मैं पहुंच जाऊंगा 12 बजे से पहले नवा शिवा में हो जाऊँ, and he reached.
But Neha, with tech coming in, do you think your life has become kind of simpler than what it was when you actually joined in?
Correct, it has.
You see a change there?
See, technology has transformed the industry very well. Of course, that is there. GPS tracking हो जाए या fast tags हो जाए या we have our customized software that we have made for our company, which, you know, checks on fuel consumption, maintenance of the vehicle, your driver performance, inventories. You know, we have that customized software. Yes, definitely. We have everything on screen now. You know, we have everything in our eyes, in front of us. Okay. Yes, it has. But we can adapt to technology very fast. लेकिन अगर यही चीज़ हमको हमारे ड्राइवर्स के साथ करना होता है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल, तो दे ऑल्सो नीड सम ट्रेनिंग एंड सम लीडिंग स्पेस कि हाँ धीरे 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 दे स्टार्ट एक्सेप्टिंग टेक्नोलॉजी. यस, कभी कभार जैसे GPS आया था पहले, यू नो, तो उनको चाहिए होता था तो वो मशीन बंद कर देते थे. ये भी तो एक चीज थी पहले, यू नो. सो धीरे धीरे ट्रेन करते करते ये हुआ कि नहीं आप इसको नहीं करोगे, कुछ भी आप होल्ड कर लो चलेगा, 6 आवर्स 7 आवर्स आपका 8 आवर्स जो रेस्टिंग पीरियड होता है, इसको बंद मत करो, इसको टच मत करो.
Yeah, we all know. I mean, life with you and Kalpesh was good, and then suddenly Kalpesh passed away, which was a shock to all of us. Did you get back to work immediately, or did you think that, okay, now this is the end of the road for me?
28 was Monday when he passed off. Next Monday I was in office. Yeah, next Monday I was in. The first thing that I did when I came back in office after a week was first I called up all my corporate and potential clients. Of course, this very 28 when he passed off, 28 evening and 29 we had mailed to all our clients, bank institutes, everyone. Okay, about this thing. But personally, I called them up after 1 week when I came to the office. I told them this is how it has happened, and the company will run. I'm here, okay? It's all going to be the same how it was earlier, everything, alright? And I'm here. So this confidence I had to give to my clients. After that, I spoke to all my team members. We did the talking in between this 1 week period also.
Right.
You know, but जो आके ऑफिस में बात करना था, you know, that face to face, everything, I said, company has to run. My husband often used to say, company किसी के वजह से रुकनी नहीं चाहिए.
And it is really, I mean, it's surprising that he brought you in, he taught you everything,
Everything.
he prepared you for the worst, I would say.
Everything.
How was the support from the clients as well as the backend staff?
I have to first talk about my backend stuff. So I always say fast track is fast track family. For me, it's a fast track family. You know, we cried together during this time. We supported each other. Okay. They all came up and said, Madam, आप टेंशन नहीं लीजिए मैम. We are there. जैसे कल्पेश भाई थे, जब कल्पेश भाई के टाइम था, exactly same ऐसे ही होगा. We cannot live without fast track. हम सोच भी नहीं सकते. And जो भी होगा, I'm still learning. You know, like I told you earlier, I was only in maintenance and billing and outstanding. Operations was handled by him. Now 5 months से operations are entirely handled by me and my team. I'm still learning every single day. But I know I have my fast track family support.
That makes a lot of difference.
That really makes a lot of. I would call up in Nhava Sheva and just ask, आपने मुझे बताया क्यों नहीं? You know about this situation, this is नहीं. जब बात बहुत बढ़ जाएगी ना, तब आपको बताएंगे.
ये हो गया.
Don't take tensions. हो जाएगा solve. आप पहले ये चीज देख लीजिए. We will handle this. Don't worry. Report सब आपको शाम को आ जाएगी. That is what. And when I spoke to my clients, the clients were really supportive. Very support. Corporate clients were very supportive. They said, whenever you feel comfortable, please come over to the office. We talk, okay? And after, say, 15 or 20 days, I went everywhere. Gujarat to Mumbai to everywhere. From Mumbai to Gujarat, then some other parts of Maharashtra where my clients are there. I went and I met everybody. Everybody. And all of them were very supportive. I didn't have time actually, Girish, to think over that. करना है कि नहीं करना है, क्या करना है. It was for me, करना है. That's it.
And I think that also brought you out of the depression that you would probably have gone into. Or you could have gone into it.
I would always thank. See, the initial days where I was, before coming to my office after a week, before that, I would thank him and Jihan. You all have really inspired me, Girish. Really inspired me. When you remember, I spoke to you. You know, I spoke to Jihan. Through you, I met other women transporters. I will be very thankful to Rima and Anuradha ji. You know, so you all have inspired me so much. as a turn back तो करना ही नहीं है. आगे ये नहीं जाना. Option ही नहीं है. आगे ही जाना है.
We will be back after this very short break.
How do you really define new? They say the new takes you beyond possible and makes you do what's unthinkable. Now imagine a world where trucks never have to stop, where no one has to wait when there is an emergency, and happiness always arrives on time. In a hurried world, no one worries about kids getting to school safely. Fathers always come home with a surprise. Mothers sleep peacefully when their son is out on the road 24/7. In a digitally connected world, the real connections are never lost. Friendships are never left behind when work gets tougher. The wheels are kept moving by dedicated professionals. And ultimately, it's not just technology, but people who save the planet. The new thinking not only makes our business grow, but also gives us newer ways to celebrate life. आयशर, नई सोच, नए रास्ते.
Welcome back to Aishar Presents Nai Soch, Naye Raaste, a Trans India exclusive. We have with us Neha Vora, who stepped into the industry under challenging circumstances. But getting a grip on the industry and her business, Neha shares her journey with us. But Neha, in business today, do you find any challenges? Operational, what are the difficulties from a purely a business point of view?
Rates.
Competition is bad.
Bad. Very bad. For 1,000 rupees rates break होते हैं. ये सब हम बात करते हैं एसोसिएशन में कि हमारे में यूनिटी होनी चाहिए ट्रांसपोर्टर्स में, ये वो. कितने लोग रियली जाके कंपनीज में ये चीज को कैरी फॉरवर्ड करते हैं? नहीं करते हैं, बिकॉज 1,000 के ये रेट्स ब्रेक होते हैं. आपके साथ डिसाइड किया जाता है रेट्स की, नहीं विद द नेम्स ऑफ द ट्रांसपोर्टर्स दैट ये वो रेट में दे रहे.
Is there a solution to this? Because we haven't found one as yet. I mean,
Let's see, the solution is that we should all come under one umbrella. Okay? We shouldn't try to break the rates. Understand the problem of another transporter that is going through. Okay? अगर यही चलता रहेगा कि आप रेट्स ब्रेक करोगे तो जो छोटे मोटे ट्रांसपोर्टर्स है वो बाहर निकल जाएंगे. जिनकी फ्लीट साइज बहुत ज्यादा है वो रेट्स इसलिए ब्रेक करते हैं क्योंकि यार गाड़ी खड़े रख के क्या करना है, चलाना तो है, ईएमआई तो बनता है, उसका मेंटेनेंस बनता है. सो 1,000 रुपए में भी आप रेट ब्रेक कर लो. बट वी ऑल नीड टू कम टुगेदर एंड देन गो अहेड.
do you think the industry needs to organize itself more than what it is now?
Yes. And not in the conference halls of association जहाँ पे हम सब बैठ के every Wednesday बात करते हैं. Practically in our business, yes.
Do you also feel that, like, you were fresh in this trade and there was no training institute within the transport fraternity? You had to go to IIM or you could only learn from your company. Is there a need for associations to have regular training programs?
Yes. At least back end staff के लिए तो yes. Drivers के लिए, mechanics के लिए, yes, 100%. IT हैंडल, सॉफ्टवेयर हैंडल करने के लिए, yes. अभी जो हम करते हैं वो ये करते हैं कि हम अपनी खुद फास्ट ट्रैक पर टेक इनिशिएटिव, अपने ड्राइवर्स को हम ट्रेन करते हैं, अपने स्टाफ को हम ट्रेन करते हैं, टीम मेंबर्स को. बट अगर ऐसा कुछ होता है कि एक एसोसिएशन का एक कैंप लगता है कि यू कैन सेंड योर पीपल, हम ये ट्रेनिंग करेंगे, ये करेंगे, सो दैट वुड मेक अ डिफरेंस.
Yeah, you've seen the ups and downs of this business. Any message for other women transporters who are still hesitant ki, nahi, this is not the space for us?
Girish, I always believe one thing. When a woman supports a woman, incredible things happen. This is a very famous quote. I would tell them to come to this industry, join this industry, okay? This is very interesting. रात के टाइम पे जब आप सोते हो ना, when your day ends, you feel very, you really feel good that, and you feel proud of yourself that एक टास्क आया था and definitely बहुत हाई टास्क था. ओके, इसमें
And वो से टास्क होता ही है.
रोज होता है. ट्रांसपोर्ट में तो रोज होता है. क्लाइंट का नहीं होगा तो ड्राइवर्स का होगा, ड्राइवर्स का नहीं होगा तो व्हीकल ब्रेकडाउन होगा, व्हीकल ब्रेकडाउन नहीं होगा तो कुछ और होगा, कुछ ना कुछ होता ही है. लेकिन आपने उसको टैकल कैसे किया, हाउ डिड यू कम आउट ऑफ इट, ऑलराइट, ये चीज, ये जो अचीवमेंट होता है ना, वो आपको रोज रात को फील होगा, एवरी सिंगल नाइट. और जितनी ज्यादा व्हीकल होगी उतना ज्यादा फील होगा. So I would always tell women to come in this industry. This is an industry to explore.
Finally, Neha, what are your future plans from here on? Where do you plan to take Fast Track? How fast and on what?
See, right now the areas that we work on is the entire Gujarat and some parts of Maharashtra. I want to expand geographically to other routes also, taking same exit cargo,
Right.
all right, to other routes also, to the new market areas. So my vision for Fast Track is I am going to go to the newer routes, geographically expand my company, that's that area. And also we are working on the efficiency of the fleets that we have. So in case जैसे we are going to tie up with one company कि import के लिए अगर गाड़ी जा रही है यहाँ से, तो आने के टाइम पे या वहां से वहां भी हमारा एक्सपोर्ट का ऑर्डर है, तो व्हाई द व्हीकल नीड्स टू कम ऑल द वे फ्रॉम गुजरात बैक टू नावा शिवा? अगर मेरा झगड़िया में फॉर एग्जाम्पल कोई एक्सपोर्ट है, तो मैं वापिस से कंटेनर क्यों नहीं वहां लेके जा सकती हूँ? सो वी आर वर्किंग ऑन दिस काइंड ऑफ ऑपरेशन राइट नाउ. वी हैव अप्रोच to certain companies that they have made a yard in Vapi. There, वहाँ से we will take the containers, go for our export, come back again. So we use this to and fro efficiency. Where I'm not talking about incoming, I'm talking about जाने के टाइम import, आने के टाइम export क्यों नहीं कर सकते हम? So this, ये हमारा routes अगर हम use करेंगे, so it will increase the efficiency of the fleets जो हमारे पास में है.
One last question, Neha. While your daughter is still very young, would you want her to join the transport business?
Definitely. I take her with me to Nava Shiva. I have taken her with me to Nava Shiva. I told, one day I asked her that tomorrow we are going for a picnic. And she asked me where. I said, I'll tell you that place in the car. And then I told her we are going to Nava Shiva. She said, what am I going to do in Nava Shiva? I said, you can do anything. I took her to Nava Shiva. I showed her जैसे trucks पे काम हो रहा है. We are sitting in our office. DOs आ रहा है. This, that. And just enjoy this moment. Speak to the driver, speak to the people out there, over there. So that she knows that, this is how it is running. This is the bread and butter area of ours. Actually, I would definitely want my daughter to come in transport.
Thank you so much, Neha.
You're welcome, Naresh. Thank you so much for calling me in.
Welcome back to Aishar Presents Nai Soch, Nai Raaste, a Trans India exclusive. Sharing her journey with us today is Neha Vora, who probably never thought she would be heading entire operations of a company. A couple of years back, we got a chance to know Anuradha Nijavan from Chennai. Her story was very similar to Neha. Both of them lost their husbands suddenly and they were left with two choices: shut shop or build a career. We salute the grit and determination of Anuradha and Neha for fighting adversities and standing strong. We hope that Neha goes a long way in the industry, and I am certain that the girl gang that we have formed will always be there to support and guide each other. Once again, we cannot thank Aishar enough for being a catalyst in this initiative. You have been watching Aishar Presents Nai Soch, Nai Raaste, a Trans India exclusive. We will be back next week with another very engrossing interaction. Until next week, stay safe and drive safe. Jai Hind.